Okay, what is up, guys? It is Forex, and we have a few things to talk about. First thing is bad news. There's actually two parts of bad news, but first part is that we have failed the 8K challenge. But it's like, bro, I can't count it as a fail because it's apparently we breached the daily drawdown limit of 4%, but nah, I swear we didn't. I checked carefully, but it is what it is. But yeah, both of those trades that did like exceed the drawdown limit are like on trading wise, it's like floating deep profit. Yeah, so we would have passed phase one, but it is what it is. And the second part of bad news is that I can't currently use my laptop. The charger like busted up, so yeah, I need to buy a new charger. So right now we can't use the laptop, so I have to use my phone to analyze or whatever. Yeah. But yeah, guys, update is that I bought two 5K challenges on GFT. So instead of buying one 8K account, I bought two 5K accounts. Yeah, guys, I'm currently in two positions on the 5K account. They both are running in profit right now. It's not a lot of profit though, but yeah, I'll show you guys in a bit on those positions. See, so now I have to use TradingView to explain. Yeah, it's a bit weird, but I guess I'll just have to like get used to it for a bit until I get the charger, of course. Yeah, guys, other than that, make sure to like, make sure to subscribe, and yeah, man. So as you can see, I'm in a trade long position on Swiss franc JPY. I think we've got a beautiful setup right here. It's actually not the best, like it's not really a high probability, but I've got a beautiful fair value gap right here that I've spotted out. Nice fair value gap entry, and it's perfectly on my Fibonacci golden zone. So I thought, yeah, you know, good trade setup right here. I might not let it ride all the way to the TP if it does get to these levels. I might just close it up a bit earlier, but other than that, I'm happy with this trade. And then I've got a trade on, I think it was USD CAD. Yeah, guys, this is my trade on USD CAD. Let's get a short position real quick. So I'm in a short position right here. As you can see, it looks like to be a sniper entry. No drawdown. It just wicked me in and immediately started going down. But yeah, we're a few hours into this trade already as well. The same like Swiss JPY. Ignore these lines. I don't know why these lines are here, but yeah. What's risky about this trade is that we were in a massive bullish trend. We're in a massive premium zone, so no way we're gonna like continue going up. So I've actually marked out these highs. This was more on the daily though, highs and the swing low. And I put my entry right here. There was a fair value gap right here, which I thought it would enter off of, but it doesn't look like it entered off there. But luckily I put it at the zone, and as you can see, sniper entry. And we don't know what's gonna happen on this trade, man. It can easily just come to this level, start going up, and you know, uptrend to my stop loss, or can beautifully reject off the zone like it did already and continue going down, which we hope would happen. So I also just want to say both these trades in TP we immediately passed phase one. I've lost 2% on both these accounts, but let me show you guys the MT5 real quick. And as you can see, the MT5, we are in profit on USD CAD. We're about 0.5% in profit on USD CAD, and then Swiss JPY still a break even. There's the trade on Swiss JPY. Yeah, man, this thing has been low-key, like not even low-key, it's been playing at the break even for a lot of time now, a few hours actually. And then USD CAD, like I said, sniper entry. Hopefully we just keep going to the downside, and yeah, and I guess I'll update you guys a bit later. Guys, real quick, for those just wondering where is the 200 Rand to 2000 Rand challenge videos, just make sure you know that they'll be uploaded every Saturday at 3 p.m. and then on Wednesdays I'll be uploading updates on the funded accounts, live vlogs, or whatever it is. Just fun videos, I guess. Wednesday 3 p.m. So yeah, thanks for the support. Let's get back into the video. And guys, a few minutes later, you can see now we're getting a beautiful rejection of that zone, and it looks like we are just gonna be going to the downside. We're almost 1% in profit, $40. Yo, guys, Swiss JPY, same thing. We're getting a nice rejection of that fair value gap, and it looks like we are going to the upside. So on here, we are $20 up. We are $56 in profit, looking really good. On the account itself, we are 1% up, or a little bit more than 1% up. Let's keep going, guys. Okay guys, let's check the trade. Damn guys, okay, so we are now floating more than 1% in profit on this trade. Looking good, man, looking good. Let's check the 15-minute time frame real quick. Yeah, we're starting some sort of a bearish trend on the lower time frames, so I think we'll just continue going down. Let's go back on the 4-hour real quick. I want to see if there's some fair value gaps down below. Yeah, so the fair value gap right here that I'm spotting out, so I believe we're gonna go more down this fair value gap right here. And there's even fair value gaps here, these levels right here. There's a lot of fair value gaps here. There's one, there's another one right here. So on the higher time frames, like the daily, this massive thing would be a massive fair value gap. So the market's gonna definitely come to these levels right here. And yeah, let's just keep holding this trade, and then let's check the other trade. Damn, guys, so XAUUSD is looking good as well. Both trades, we are killing them right now. We are almost 1% in profit as well on this trade alone. So altogether, nearly 2% in profit. And yeah, same thing with this trade, man. Both trades are looking beautiful right now. And as you can see, we are $84 in profit. So yeah, let's just keep waiting, and I'll update you guys a bit later. Damn, guys, we are cooking on this trade. We are now around $70 in profit. Hopefully we just keep going to the upside. And damn, guys, on USD CAD, same thing. We are just flying to the downside. Beautifully executed trades right here. Same thing. Hopefully we just keep going to the downside. And wow, guys, we are almost floating in 3% of profit. Looking good. The equity has to be at 5.4k for us to pass phase 1. But yeah, I'll update you guys probably in 2 or 3 hours. Yeah, I'll see you guys then. Okay, guys, so we are back and it is approaching 8:30. Let's check the trade out. Okay, so we have slightly come down a bit. We are just getting a slight bit of retracement back to the downside, but this is very natural from the market. And let's check on the other trade. Okay, so same thing with USD CAD. We're going back to the upside, just a bit of retracement, and I think we'll continue to the downside as time goes on. And overall, guys, we are $77 in profit, so we're about 1.5% in profit right now out of 8%. And yeah, still doing fairly well on these trades. And I'll update you guys probably tomorrow morning. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next day. Good morning, guys. It is 10:30 in the morning, and let's check our trades out. Yeah, guys, it's not looking too good on XAUUSD. We're going to the downside, but like I said yesterday, that this is not a high probability setup, simply because we don't have any fair value gaps that the price would like reject to. So yeah, it's not looking too good, honestly. But let's check USD CAD out. Okay, guys, so USD CAD is not looking too bad, honestly. I mean, there's not much to talk about. You know, it's sort of at the same price as it was last night, so not much to talk about. And then overall, guys, we are $17 in profit. Yeah, not looking good at all, because we were at $150, I believe. Yeah, we were like $130 in profit, and now we came back down to $18 in profit. So yeah, the account itself is basically at break even. But yeah, I'll give you one more update, so I'll see you guys a bit later. Okay, guys, let's check the trade. Damn, okay, so we were quite deep in drawdown, as I can see here. By this week, yeah, this week tells us we were in deep drawdown. We were about halfway to the stop loss, actually even a little bit more. But as you can see, we're rejecting back up, which looks great. Hopefully we keep going to the upside. And let's just go on the 50-minute just to sort of refine the market structure right now. Yeah, so 50-minute time frame still tells me we're going to the downside. Doesn't look as good. Let's check out USD CAD. Okay, so USD CAD is looking good still, but we're still sort of consolidating in one specific area right now. Same thing. Let's go on the 50-minute time frame real quick. Okay, so we are on a massive bearish candle at the moment, but yeah, it looks like it's consolidating on the 50-minute time frame, slightly in that bearish trend. So yeah, I'm gonna keep waiting it out. So that's gonna make it for the end of the video. Like I said, every Wednesday I have to upload the updates on the funder accounts. So today's Wednesday, I have to edit, and then yeah, 7 o'clock, not 3 o'clock, 7 o'clock every day I'll be uploading. Saturday's gonna be uploading dates as well, but that's for the challenge videos, 7 o'clock as well. So make sure to check them out. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys on Saturday. Or if you're gonna tune in for the funded account updates, then I guess I'll see you guys next week Wednesday. So yeah, make sure to like, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys next week. Peace out.